Welcome to our comprehensive guide on crafting a nursing research proposal, an essential step for conducting impactful research in nursing. Begin with a precise research question that fills a gap in nursing knowledge. This question should be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, SEMART, guiding the focus of your study. Choose a research design that aligns with your question. Whether it's quantitative, qualitative, or mixed methods, your approach should outline how you'll collect and analyze your data, ensuring the reliability and validity of your findings. Ethical integrity is paramount. Detail how you'll protect participants' rights and welfare, including obtaining informed consent and ensuring privacy. Adherence to ethical guidelines not only safeguards your participants, but also the credibility of your research. Explain your strategy for determining an appropriate sample size that ensures statistical power and generalizability. Also, describe your recruitment tactics, emphasizing inclusivity and fairness. Offer a clear data analysis roadmap tailored to your study design to articulate how you'll derive meaningful insights from your collected data. Highlight your plans for sharing your findings. Effective dissemination ensures your research reaches its intended audience, contributing to nursing practice and policy. Introduce your topic, emphasizing its significance and the potential impact of your research. Summarize existing research, identifying gaps your study will address. Detail your methodology, including data collection and analysis methods. Reiterate the importance of ethics in your research. Acknowledge any potential limitations and how they'll be addressed. Conclude with the anticipated impact of your study on nursing practice and future research directions. Crafting a thorough nursing research proposal is crucial for the success of your research. By following these steps, you're not just conducting a study, you're contributing to the vast landscape of nursing knowledge, paving the way for innovative solutions in healthcare.